In this quick video, I'll be showing you different ways you can capture a screenshot on your POCO F7. Now, there is 4 options, I believe, that we can utilize, and I will be showing you starting off from the very simplest one to the more advanced ones. So the first and most simple one would be to press the power button and your volume down simultaneously. And there we go, there's our screenshot. So that's the first option. The second one is using your 3 fingers. You're just gonna swipe down. As you can see, that's the second option. Third one is in your notifications. So we're gonna swipe down and look for this icon right here, scissors. I click on it. So that's the third one. And the fourth one, which I won't be able to showcase because I'm not synced into Google, would be to basically hold your power button. And this opens up your Gemini. And you can just give Gemini a directive to take a screenshot, and it will do it. So that would be the fourth option. So there we go. Now, I hope you found this video helpful and informative, and if you did, it would mean a lot to me if you could hit that like, subscribe. But nonetheless, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of the day.